Om Mani Padme Hum. First known description of the mantra appears in the Karandavyuha Sutra. The Buddha teaches the sutras of Mahayana King Sublime's treasure, which is part of the certain Mahayana canons such as the Tibetans. It was stated inside the sutra. Shakyamuni Buddha said, "This is the most beneficial mantra. Even I made this aspiration to all the millions Buddhas and subsequently received this teaching from the Buddha Amitabha." This text is first dated to around the late 4th century CE to the early 5th century CE. The powers of the Six Syllables. The Six Syllables perfect the Six Paramitas of the Bodhisattvas. Zen Rinpoche, in his commentary on the meaning of said, the mantra Om Mani Pädme Hum is easy to say and quite powerful because it contains the essence of the entire teaching. When you say the first syllables, Om, it is blessed to help you achieve perfection in the practice of generosity. Ma, help perfect the practice of poor ethics, and Ni, help achieve perfection in the practice of tolerance and passion. Pad, the 4th syllables help to achieve perfection of preservation. Me, help achieve perfection in the practice of concentration, and the final 6 syllables, Hum, help achieve perfection in the practice of wisdom. So in this way, reciting of the mantra help achieve perfection in the 6 practice from generosity to wisdom. The path of this 6 perfection is the path of walk by all the Buddhas of the 3 times. What could then be more meaningful than to say the mantra and accomplish the 6th perfection? The 6 syllables purify the 6 realms of existence in suffering. The Kalama Sutra, also known as the Kalama Sutra, Sanskrit Kalama Sutra. The Buddha himself left us with completely different criteria for determining what is and what not real Buddhism from those of any religion is. If we accept Buddha's words about his philosophy, it is obviously wouldn't do to just look at the history. Even the most ancient strata, Kalama Sutras, rely not on teacher but on the teaching. Rely not on the words of the teaching but not the spirit of words. Rely not on theory but on experience. Do not believe in any simply because you have to heard it. Do not believe in tradition because they have been handed down for many generations. Do not believe anything because it is spoken and rumored by many. Do not believe in anything because it is written in your religion books. Do not believe in any merely on the authority of your teachers and elders. But after observation and analysis, when you find that anything agree with religion and is conducive to good and the benefit of one and all, then accept it and live up to it. Om Mani Padme Hum. Om meaning representing body and mind speech, represent both impure and pure body, mind and speech, to transform impure to pure. Mani means jewels. Jewels meaning altruism, the belief in or practice or selfish concerns for well-being of others. Padme means wisdom. Hum means combination. Combining altruism and wisdom is the way to purify body and mind speech. Om Mani Padme Hum means to purify the body, mind and speech through the combination of compassion and wisdom. Please correct me if I am wrong.